This is Xiaomi 12S Ultra, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first step that we need to take is to download and install the free third-party app that goes by the name of Caffeine. That is the external tool that allows us to set custom values for the auto screen off function and set the value to never as well. So let's get this app real quick, then launch it, and in here simply make sure that the timeout section or parameter was set to the infinite value, and as long as the Caffeine application will stay active in the background, so make sure not to accidentally close it or turn it off, your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.